Hello everyone, today I'll discuss about switching in computer network. See, before understanding switching in computer network, we should first know why switching is important in computer network. See, as you know, a network is a set of connected devices. A network is a set of connected devices. So whenever we have multiple devices, means whenever we're talking about multiple devices, and we have the problem of how to connect them, means we are facing a problem of how to connect those multiple devices. So one possible solution is mesh topology or star topology. Means mesh topology or star topology is one possible solution, but they are also impractical. They are also impractical and wasteful when they are applied to a very large network. Means when it is applied to a very large network, mesh topology or star topology, they are impractical because for two reasons. One is they are not reliable. The first point is they are not reliable. Another point is they are not cost efficient. They are not cost efficient. So now the best solution is switching. So the best solution is switching is the best solution. Switching is the best solution. Okay. Now see, a switch network consists of a series of interlinked nodes called switches. Means a switch network consists of a series of interlinked nodes called switches. So it's a definition of switch. Now what is the main function of switches? What is the main role of switches? The main role of switches are, switches are devices capable of creating temporary connection between two or more devices. Means with the help of switches, this line means that with the help of switches we can connect two or more devices. Means we can connect two or more devices with this help of switches. Now I'll give a brief idea with the help of a diagram. See, if there are four devices, this is the one, device 1, device 2, device 3 and device 4. Okay, there are four devices are there. Now we'll connect them with the help of switches. See, if there is one switch, the red point are switches. Okay, the red. See, there are the blue lines, the blue boxes are devices. 1, 2, there are 4 devices, and these are the 3 switches. Now see, 1, 2, 3 switches. Now if you want to connect these 4 devices with this help of switches, see, this is one possible solution. Means one possible path. This is one possible path. See now. See, we have connected these 4 devices with this help of switches. And what do you means? What nodes? Link. These are the links. These are the links. Okay. Okay. So this is the main function of switches. Now see, switches. Switching is again divided into 3 types. Switching is again divided into 3 types. Now see, one is circuit switching. One is packet switching, and another is message switching. See, at the present, means at present time, both these are using circuit switching. Also, we are also using packet switching are also there. Okay, but message switching is not there. Means at the present time it is not. Now it is not using. No, means it is no more using. Okay, message switching. Now see, the switching is again classified into 3 classes. Means circuit switching. See, this is the taxonomy of switching. Okay, in computer network, circuit switching, packet switching, and message switching. See, packet switching is again divided into datagram network and virtual circuit network. Datagram network and virtual circuit network. So this is the brief idea about switching in computer network and about the taxonomy of switching in computer network. So in the next video, I'll start with packet switching and about datagram network and virtual network, circuit network. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Thank you.